दोस्तों आज की वीडियो में हम एक ऐसे शख्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जो शख्स भी क्रिकेट से मोहब्बत करने वाला है उन्हें ज़रूर जानता होगा और वो हैं एबी डिविलियर मिस्टर 360। आपको मिस्टर 360 इस वजह से कहा जाता है कि आप ग्राउंड में 360 के एंगल में खेलते थे, यानी कि हर तरफ आपकी शॉट्स जाती थी, हर तरफ। तो आइए दोस्तों, सबसे पहले हम इनका तारुफ देखते हैं, फिर उनके बाद इनकी तेज़ तरीन सेंचुरी देखेंगे। दोस्तों ये है तेज़ तरीन सेंचुरी के रिकॉर्ड वाले 4 शख्स। नंबर 1 एबी डिविलियर, इन्होंने 31 बालों पे सेंचुरी की। कोरी एंडरसन, इन्होंने 36 बालों पे सेंचुरी की। शाहिद अफरीदी, इन्होंने 37 बालों पे सेंचुरी की। और मार्क बुचर, इन्होंने 44 बालों पे सेंचुरी की।
That signalled his intentions right from ball one. Brings up the 250.
No need to play yourself in apparently. Slow ball, he picked it up immediately. Perhaps didn't time it as well as you'd have liked. But still got enough bat on ball to get it past mid-on for 4.
Over the top of mid-off, and that's one bounce boundary. Short boundary, cleared that by plenty. 6 runs to AB de Villiers.
This is an incredible shot.
Fun for who? Definitely not the West Indies team.
Gone again, improvisation for 6 more. That is absolutely extraordinary.
Oh, this is the improvisation that I'm talking about. He shuffled again towards the outside, then went down on his knees.
Full toss, hammered for 6 more. That's a long way back over long off. That is a ridiculous shot from AB de Villiers. Full toss, slam that for 6. That's a big one. Nicely played again by AB de Villiers and nicely caught in the crowd as well. Down the ground, 6 runs. That's the record. That is the fastest 50 in one-day international cricket by AB de Villiers. Another exhibition here at the Wanderers today in the pink day. Magnificent stuff. It's high. Samuel's underneath it, but it's going to go over the top for 6 more. It does.
It's not 5,000 meters above sea level. Everyone thought that was the end of AB de Villiers. There are some huge sighs in the crowd.
And he's gone for 6 more. And it's another superb catch in the crowd. Oh no, I can't believe that. That is quite amazing. 140 k's per hour and he does that.
He's slowing down a bit though. Just 17 runs from these first 5 balls. Maximum he can get from this over is 23.
Slapping that one to the fielder though. Should be just the one. 76 runs in the last 4 overs. most of them courtesy of AB de Villiers. He's on 73, 330 for one. Just sit back and have a look at this.
Gone past to Landon, and it's a no ball as well for height. Over waist high.
AB de Villiers looking to target the offside, the 4 men in the circle there. So he gives himself a bit of room. Ryan Smith tries to follow him, tries to get the Yorker in. The length is wrong.
On the ground, Russell comes around, and it's landed. On and about the boundary warning.
Closer look at exactly where this one landed. And it is in touch with that 100. It will be an incredible effort if he gets there. He's just bounced in front of the ropes, and that should be 4.
Another boundary for de Villiers, nearly going the whole way. He's moved himself on to 82 from just 26 deliveries. The world record is 36 deliveries for 100. He's got 10 deliveries to get 18 runs.
Goes for it, gets 6. Moves to 88. 360 for one. Oh, what a shot. How many times today? Another 6 from AB de Villiers. This has been an innings of some acceleration.
Oh, they're missing his length. He was looking for the Yorker, but in the end it was a friendly full toss. AB de Villiers again crossed to the offside and just flicked it.
The world record now belongs to AB de Villiers. The fastest 100 in ODI cricket belongs to this man, the South African captain.
Absolutely sensational by a brilliant player, and this is why he's the best one-day international batsman in the world. Stunning performance, AB de Villiers.
18th of January 2015, the record has been broken. It's been a sublime performance by AB de Villiers. Shots that you don't come to watch every single day. He is the best, and he's put on an absolute exhibition.
On the ground, Russell comes around. Russell can't get there. It's another one. 3 in a row. 383 for one. Still doesn't sound right, that. 383 for one.
Margin for error when this man is in full cry is so small. Change of angle around the wicket, but same result. AB de Villiers has seen it as big as a football.
Oh, magnificent. He can hit 6s over the leg side. He can hit them down the ground. He goes over extra cover. He's like a machine. You can't stop him.
12 sixes for AB de Villiers. Phenomenal ball striking. Gives himself some room this time and just flicks it over point. Not an easy shot to play, but to AB de Villiers right now, any shot is easy to play.
This was the delivery that took him to the world record. We were worried he wouldn't be able to get there in 36 deliveries. Well, it took him even less than that, just 31. He was a bit concerned it might not clear the fielder, but once it did, it was elation, and so it should be. World record, fastest 100.
Goodness me. They run out of superlatives to describe some of the shot playing power.
6 number 13 for AB de Villiers. Strike rate of 341.
we're watching for all the international records that might fall here. The highest amount of sixes hit by any individual batsman in the innings is 16. Maybe de Villiers sits on 13. Can he get over that line too?
It's gone high again. And Suleiman Ben cannot get up to hold it. He's the tallest man on the park.
We've got 14, 2 to go, 2 more sixes required. As you mentioned, it's a long boundary, the tallest man, but it's still not enough to stop A.B. de Villiers.
Back-to-back maximums in the same area. Where does Dwayne Smith try and bowl the next one?